Welcome to Earnings 101. Today we'll be discussing how to make money with a fashion blog. Make sure to subscribe and hit the like button if you find it helpful. Are you interested in making money online with a fashion website? If so, there are a few things you need to know. In this video, we will discuss how to make money online with a fashion website, and cover the following topics: fashion websites that make money, how to optimize your fashion website for search engines, creating content for your fashion website, making money with your fashion website, and fashion website resources. First, let's talk about fashion websites that make money. Clothing, shoes, and accessories are the most popular items sold on fashion websites. However, other items such as beauty products, home decor, and lifestyle products can also be successful. The key is to find a niche market and focus on selling items that appeal to that market. To maximize profits, it's important to source your products from wholesalers or manufacturers at low prices. And to choose a niche market that isn't too saturated so you can stand out from the competition. Next, we'll discuss how to optimize your fashion website for search engines. Search engine optimization, SEO, is vital for any website looking to rank high in search results and drive organic traffic. You can optimize your fashion website for SEO by choosing keyword-rich titles and descriptions for your products. Using relevant keywords throughout your website content, generating backlinks by guest blogging, or partnering with other websites in your industry, and designing your website in a way that is easy to use on a mobile device and loads quickly. Creating quality content is another important aspect of driving traffic to your fashion website. By writing blog posts, creating style guides, and posting photos and videos, you can give potential customers an idea of what your brand is all about and why they should shop with you. When creating content, be sure to include keyword-rich titles and descriptions, optimize photos and videos for SEO, share your content on social media, and encourage user-generated content. There are a number of ways to monetize your fashion website, such as selling advertising space, selling products or services, or generating income through sponsorships or affiliate marketing. And the best way to generate traffic to your fashion website is to create high-quality content that is relevant to your target audience, and promote your site through social media and other online channels. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other videos on Earnings 101 channel. And visit our website, www.earnings101.com, for more information on how to make money online. Remember, when it comes to making money with a fashion website, it's important to find a niche market. Optimize your website for search engines, create quality content, monetize your website, and generate traffic to your site. With the right strategy, you can be on your way to making money with a fashion website in no time.